This is the menu, and choose what you want, and then we'll or give it to you.
Okay, I like.
This is thousands of it. There's water never wastes, so we got a lot of water.
How about big cake one and small lollipop
What flavor?
two, and how about strawberry flavor? You have it?
Yeah, we got strawberry flavor and blueberry.
Okay, and I like Easter egg one and fruit vegetable. Some fruit vegetable. Okay, some.
Okay. Choose. Tell them what you want. Jennifer wants one cake, and then that. Then we'll put it in this plate. So there's your 2 lollipops. And I'm working. And he's getting ready. Here's your food.
Bun potato.
And don't forget that.
Open up.
Nếu bằng tay nghề.
We have pancake, cookies, candy, and small cake, cookies, fruit and vegetables, and lollipops. So that's on our menu with water. It's real. Yeah, prepared. Again, and we're preparing again. Preparing food. Do you want water?
Yes.
Okay, water.
Small cup of water.
Be careful with that one. There's your food.
Nang bun.
I am the one who put the food in the tray.
So lady bun.
The worker.
Worker. Who cook?
We are cooking. She cooks. I put the food on the tray, and she's the waiter.
Excuse me, please. What is it?
This is the Easter egg.
Oh my goodness. Wonderful.
Just need to open it.
Oh, very excited. What should be inside?
You have to guess.
Yes. Thank you. Mhm. Mm.
Hey, that's not the spoon. That's the candle. You need to blow it.
Sorry.
Candle. Nè.
No, cake and is it pumpkin? Yeah, very
I
beautiful.
made that pumpkin.
Very sweet. What
That's
is this?
the big orange.
It's orange.
Yeah.
Wow, too big. And what is it? I think it
This is
is.
a little orange, and this is
Oh, yeah.
broccoli.
Yeah, is small orange.
Yeah, small orange. And big and small orange.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, let me open it up. Dun, 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 dun. Woo.
You need to build the Lego person.
I think it is
That's
an
where you-
army. It is an army or? Yes. I think so. Oh.
There you go. Now put the paint.
Okay, is it the head? And now is the body and the leg. The legs, and here is the hand, the arm. Okay, go in. Yes, very